Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions for a lock screen in Oppo A78 5G. And to do this, we'll need to open our settings, then scroll all the way down and find additional settings. Right here we have gestures and motions, and now let's check which of these options work on the lock screen. First one is a screen of gestures. If we enter it, here is an entire tab of I don't know, like 10 settings dedicated to lock screen, and I'm gonna cover it at the end of the video. First, let's go through this page right here. We have swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot, and touch and hold with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. So when your phone is unlocked, it works like this, and another one like this. Now it's a partial screenshot. And now let's try it on locked phone. We'll need to wake up our screen. Slide down works fine, but the partial screenshot doesn't. It's kind of pointless anyway on the locked screen, but okay. Next is raise to wake, and if you lock your phone, then pick it up. It should wake up like this without pressing any button. Next is lift to ear to answer a call. If you receive any call and lift your phone to your ear, it should answer the call automatically, and it works on the lock screen. Auto switch to receiver, it works the same way as a lift to ear answer the calls, but when you're using a receiver in your ear. Flip to mute incoming calls. If you enable it and flip your phone upside down, it should mute all incoming calls. Now let's move to the screen of gestures tab, which I mentioned in the beginning. Make sure that it's enabled to see all of the settings. Here we have double tap to wake or turn off screen. Now if you click on any empty space, it should lock our phone. Or yeah, it works on lock screen, sorry. So when the phone is locked, it wakes up or turns off by just pressing on the screen. Next option is draw O to open a camera, draw V to turn on flashlight, and music control. Let's cover all of these features at once. So when we draw O when our phone is locked, it opens the camera. When we draw V, it turns on flashlight. And when we draw it again, it turns off flashlight. And the music control works like this. So you can draw arrow to the right to play next track, draw arrow to the left to play previous track, and draw the pause button to play or stop the music. And the last options are a quick shortcuts. So there's 3 of them, 3 different gestures. You can draw arrow up, M or W, and they all work kind of the same, but you just draw them differently. So we have this one. Let's enable it. Then click on this option and you'll be able to select different function for it, like unlock, call, or open a specific app. And in this case, let's go for a Google Play Store and try to use it. Arrow up, we'll need to unlock our phone, and then we have a Google Play Store open. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.